Hi, Aurora. Is your food truck open? Yeah? Oh, we have to switch the sign to open. Look, this is open and this is closed. It's the moon. Do you see the moon?
Yeah.
That's nighttime. So open is this one, okay? So we had to put some stickers on there. It comes with some milkshakes and some shakes where we can store the food. Yeah, I want some food. Can you make me a hamburger? I'll be right up. Okay. Play the music. Ding dong. Is the food ready? What is that? Okay. Wow, do you like it? Uh-oh, Fisher Price is very cute. We always loved it. Yes, I want some food. Auirora also has this little dog stuffed animal toy. So I'm glad she received this. Thank you to her auntie. Auirora, say thank you, auntie. Say it louder. Good job. What is that? Let me see. Ooh, this is a pizza. It's a cheese pizza. Yum, yum. Okay. Let me see your food truck. Can I see it, Auirora? So here's like the wheel. Beep beep. And hi. I'm looking. Here's the register with the order paper. What's wrong? Do you like it? Yeah. Can I have a hamburger? So Auirora does have to sit. I would say this is maybe perfect. Well, it does say 18 to 36 months. Aurora's 3 years old. She could have the bigger food truck, but we think this one's really cute. What are you making for Mom? Can I see too? Is that where's my patty? Where is it? Let's look for it. Oh, right here. Here you go. Put it inside the hamburger. So it has tacos. I'm not sure what this is. A cookie, pizza. Do you like to play your food truck, Auirora? Yeah? So this is the final product. I think it's super cute. And we know Auirora will like it. Do you like it? Yeah. Say goodbye, everyone. Look at Mom and say it. Goodbye, everyone. See you later. Okay. See you later, Auirora.